How to hide Instagram chat without deleting. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right. Now here you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option account type and tools. You'll need to switch your account to the professional account. So click on this option. Switch to professional account. Click on next. Select what best describes you. Then click on next. What type of professional are you, creator or business? Select it and click on next. Now click on OK. So these are some steps. You can complete it. Now navigate to the messages tab. Now here you're gonna find different sections as primary, general and request. At the moment within Instagram, there's no such feature to hide chat without deleting, but there is a workaround. Once you switch your account to the professional, what you can do is head over to the conversation that you want to hide and swipe to the left. You're going to get this arrow icon. Clicking on that, the conversation will be moved to the general section. So it's similar to hiding the specific chat. If you want to get back to chat, you can head over to the general tab. Here you're going to find all the conversations that you have moved. So right now, this is a way to hide Instagram chat without deleting. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.